In this makeup tutorial, we're going to be doing this makeup where you put a pencil through your face. So let's get started. Start off this makeup by going and breaking a pencil in half, take some scar wax, and put it onto your face. You're going to get the general shape of where you want this to go, and use a generous amount on both sides of your face. Line it up, and after you have it lined up, stick the pencil in. While you're putting this makeup on, you may need to go and shorten the pencil slightly because it might just be a little bit too heavy. After you have both of the pieces there, you're going to want to go and take off the scar wax, and then go and apply some liquid latex or some sort of adhesive that is safe for your skin onto your face. Apply the adhesive, stick the pencil back down with the scar wax, hold the pencil in place for just about 10 to 15 seconds, repeat this on both sides. Make sure it is bonded fully, and if it hasn't, apply a little bit more onto the pencil, and then smooth out the edge where the scar wax ends on your face. Also take the end of the sculpting tool that you have and make it slightly jagged around where the pencil is. After you have that done on both sides, which you should take your time and really make it look like it's jagged, go and brush it with red powdered cosmetic. After it is brushed with red powdered cosmetic on both sides, go and move over to a darker red cosmetic and brush it where the pencil meets the scar wax. Really get this messy, but not too messy. You want this to look semi-realistic. You don't want it to look too over the top. Make sure to add a small amount of black into there where the scar wax and the pencil meet. Do this on both sides. And after that is done, we're going to go and put on fake blood. Put fake blood around this entire area where the pencil and scar wax meet, along with also down a small amount, but make sure to get both sides before you put any of this fake blood onto the lower area because you want to go and figure out exactly where everything is going to kind of set and be on your face. On the end where the pencil point is, make sure to put some fake blood along with also down the entire pencil. Put a small amount of fake blood into the corners of your mouth. Really make this drip with a different type of fake blood that is maybe a little bit thinner. And also too, you can put a small amount of fake blood into your mouth as you continue to go and do this makeup. Put a small amount of the fake blood into your mouth. This is of course food safe fake blood that I made, and your makeup should look like this. Thank you all so much for watching. I am posting 31 days of Halloween and also special effects makeup, and I hope I will see you at my next video. Have a good one and take care.